Most drivers have no idea they're slowly destroying their engine every single time they fill up. I'm talking about carbon buildup that clogs your fuel injectors, kills your oxygen sensors, and drops your gas mileage by up to 15%. The culprit? Low-quality gasoline that lacks proper detergent additives. Here's what mechanics see every day. Cars struggling to idle, hesitating during acceleration, and check engine lights that won't go away. And it all traces back to one decision: where you get your gas. The scary part is that some of the most popular gas stations in America are selling fuel that meets only the bare minimum legal standards. That might sound acceptable, but minimum standards won't protect your engine for the long haul. Today, I'm revealing 10 gas stations you should avoid if you want your car to last, plus 4 that mechanics actually trust to keep engines clean for years. Stick around because what you learn in the next few minutes could save you thousands in repairs. Number 1. British Petroleum, BP. BP is everywhere and the name sounds premium, but here's the problem: it's not top-tier certified. That certification guarantees higher levels of detergent additives that prevent carbon deposits from building up inside your engine. Without enough detergents, your fuel injectors and intake valves slowly collect residue. Mechanics report that cars consistently fueled with BP develop hard starts and rough idling earlier than those using cleaner alternatives. BP meets minimum legal fuel standards, but minimum isn't enough for modern engines with tight tolerances. You might save a few cents per gallon, but you'll lose hundreds or thousands when you need injector cleaning services or sensor replacements. The real cost shows up around 50,000 miles when performance starts declining noticeably. Number 2. Circle K. Circle K stations are convenient, but mechanics call them emergency-only fuel stops for good reason. The problem is inconsistent quality because Circle K sources fuel from various regional suppliers who don't all use the same additive packages. You never really know what you're getting. Drivers who fuel regularly at Circle K often complain about rough acceleration, reduced mileage, and sluggish throttle response after just a few months. Mechanics trace these symptoms directly to weak detergent content, causing carbon buildup. If you drive a turbocharged or direct injection engine, this fuel can cause real damage over time. Modern engines need consistent quality fuel, and Circle K simply can't guarantee that across all locations. Number 3. Speedway. Speedway attracts customers with lower prices and loyalty rewards, but mechanics constantly warn against long-term use. Like Circle K, Speedway isn't top-tier certified, meaning its fuel might lack the cleaning additives your engine desperately needs. Cars fueled at Speedway regularly show early signs of injector fouling, pinging under acceleration, and declining fuel economy. For older engines, it's less noticeable, but newer engines with advanced sensors suffer significantly. Mechanics often say Speedway gas won't destroy your car overnight, but it will wear it down incrementally with every tank. Over 30,000 miles, the cumulative damage becomes clear through reduced power and increased maintenance needs. Number 4. Amoco. Amoco used to be a premium brand before merging with BP, but since that merger, fuel quality has dropped to BP's level. Many Amoco stations lack top-tier certification, which means insufficient detergent additives. Mechanics frequently mention Amoco when diagnosing clogged injectors and dirty intake valves, especially in cars requiring precise air-fuel ratios. This buildup triggers check engine lights, causes stalling, and increases harmful emissions. The Amoco name carries nostalgic trust, but the fuel doesn't deliver modern engine protection. If you're driving something built after 2010, this gas will compromise performance faster than you'd expect. Number 5. Love's Travel Stops. Love's is a highway staple for truckers, but that doesn't make it ideal for passenger cars. Love's focuses on diesel for commercial vehicles, and their gasoline offerings lag behind in quality and additive content. Mechanics who service daily drivers advise against regular refueling at Love's, especially for newer cars and hybrids. While it meets legal fuel standards, it doesn't provide the detergent protection that top-tier fuels offer, making engines more vulnerable to buildup and poor combustion. One tank during a road trip won't harm anything, but weekly use will slowly degrade engine performance and efficiency. Number 6. Murphy USA. Murphy USA stations sit outside Walmart stores with the lowest prices around, but cheaper isn't better when it comes to fuel. Murphy's gas isn't top-tier certified, and mechanics rank it among the most problematic for engine health. That rock-bottom price comes from cutting costly detergent additives. Mechanics describe Murphy USA as good for your wallet but terrible for your engine. If you drive short distances or own an older vehicle you're not concerned about, the impact might be minimal. But for any modern car, repeated use causes drivability issues, poor emissions performance, and significantly higher maintenance costs over time. Number 7. Pilot, Flying J. Pilot and Flying J are extremely popular with truckers and travelers, but they're designed for diesel customers, not gasoline engines. Neither brand carries top-tier certification, and mechanics note that vehicles fueled regularly at these locations exhibit poor idle quality and sluggish acceleration. Long-term use leads to dirty combustion chambers and fouled spark plugs. The fuel isn't contaminated, but it's optimized for cost rather than cleanliness. Occasional use during road trips is acceptable, but if you live nearby and fill up weekly, your car's performance will gradually deteriorate. Save these stations for emergencies only. Number 8. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven stores are everywhere, making them incredibly convenient for quick fill-ups. But convenience comes at a cost. Most locations aren't part of the top-tier program and source fuel from the cheapest local suppliers available. Mechanics report that 7-Eleven gas frequently causes buildup in injectors and on intake valves due to minimal detergent levels. After several months of regular use, mechanics commonly find thick carbon residue in engines. If you need to top off in an emergency, it's fine. But for your regular fill-ups, this station will slowly compromise your engine's health and performance. Number 9. Sam's Club. Sam's Club attracts members with gas prices 10 to 15 cents cheaper per gallon, but those savings hide a bigger cost. Sam's Club gasoline isn't top-tier certified, and mechanics consistently observe that customers fueling exclusively at membership club stations experience more engine deposit buildup. The difference isn't immediately obvious, but over tens of thousands of miles, the effects become clear. Reduced power, more engine pinging, and lower fuel economy. If you're leasing and won't keep the car, you might not care. But for long-term daily drivers, this fuel quietly erodes performance year after year. Number 10. Independent, unbranded stations. Those no-name gas stations with the lowest prices on the sign are mechanics' worst nightmare. Many buy leftover or off-spec gasoline batches from bulk suppliers and add little or no detergent additives. Even worse, some have poor tank maintenance, leading to water contamination or rust particles mixing into your fuel. Mechanics regularly see cars from small independent stations coming in with clogged fuel filters, misfires, and water in the fuel system. These stations might work fine for lawnmowers or old farm equipment, but for modern cars, you're gambling with every fill-up. The few dollars saved aren't worth the risk. Number 11. Shell Recommended. Shell consistently ranks among the world's best gasoline brands and maintains full top-tier certification. Every gallon contains high concentrations of cleaning additives designed to protect and restore engine performance. Mechanics routinely praise Shell fuel, especially the V-Power Nitro Plus Premium Blend, which actively removes carbon deposits left by cheaper fuels. Drivers who stick with Shell experience smoother idling, better acceleration, and cleaner spark plugs during maintenance intervals. Even regular-grade Shell fuel exceeds stricter detergent standards than most competitors. If you want guaranteed quality and peace of mind with every fill-up, Shell is one of the safest investments you can make. Number 12. Exxon. Mobil Recommended. Exxon and Mobil, often used interchangeably, deliver consistently high-quality gasoline with full top-tier certification. Both brands include robust detergent packages that prevent buildup in modern engines. Mechanics frequently recommend them because engines fueled exclusively with Exxon or Mobil remain remarkably clean internally. Their Synergy fuel lineup is specifically formulated to clean intake valves and fuel injectors with every single tank. Drivers switching to these brands often notice improved throttle response and slightly better gas mileage after just a few fill-ups. Whether you drive a basic sedan or a turbocharged performance vehicle, these brands deliver exceptional quality and consistency. Number 13. Costco. Recommended. Costco's Kirkland Signature gasoline surprises many drivers. but it's earned serious respect from mechanics. It's fully top-tier certified with strict quality control at every location. What makes Costco exceptional is getting premium-level detergent content at warehouse club prices. Mechanics report that engines fueled at Costco look just as clean internally as those using Shell or Mobil. Costco's massive sales volume means underground tanks are constantly refreshed, so you're almost always getting fresh, clean fuel. If you can handle the occasional lines, this represents one of the best values for top-quality gasoline anywhere in the country. Number 14. Valero. Recommended. Valero flies under the radar compared to Shell or Mobil, but mechanics know its quality well. It's another top-tier certified brand providing excellent detergent protection without premium pricing. Valero fuel keeps injectors and combustion chambers clean, significantly reducing the need for expensive fuel system services later. Drivers using Valero exclusively report stable gas mileage and consistently smooth performance, especially in older vehicles. It's not as heavily marketed as bigger names, but its quality matches them completely. Mechanics describe Valero as the smart sleeper pick because it's affordable, clean, and remarkably consistent across all locations. So next time you pull up to a pump, ask yourself this: am I saving money or am I risking my engine? Mechanics agree that cheap, low-detergent fuel quietly destroys engines from the inside out. The damage doesn't happen overnight, but once carbon buildup starts, it's expensive and difficult to reverse. Switching to top-tier certified fuel can save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs over your car's lifetime. If this video helped you understand why fuel quality matters, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this information. Drop a comment telling me what your go-to gas station is and why you trust it. Subscribe for more tips that keep your car running smoother and longer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.